I'm a obvious lesbian.
I can see Russia from my cunt.
I like poop.
Agreed. Flaming balls.
I want a dildo in my ass.
Merp.
I'm too lazy to make good videos on YouTube.
I touch little boys. Hi.